Hola, ¿cómo estás? This lesson goes over the irregular verb estar, to be. The way it is conjugated, or changed, is as follows. Yo estoy, I am. Tú estás, you are. Él está, he is. Ella está, she is. Usted está, you are, formal. Nosotros estamos, we are. Nosotras estamos, we the females are. Ellos están, they are. Ellas están, they the females are. Ustedes están, you all are. Okay? As I said, estar is to be. There's another verb, though, we've gone over that also means to be. That's ser. We have a way of keeping track of them and how we use them in different things. For estar, the general uses are for feelings or emotions, for the ing tense, what we call the progressive tense, and for location. The middle one will most likely be covered in a future video. So the other two we will be covering in this video. The first one, feelings or emotions, deals with emotions and feelings. Duh, right? Okay, so we have already used this rule without even knowing it, though. When I asked in one of the first videos, probably the first video, ¿Cómo estás? I'm asking you, how are you doing? Okay, or how are you feeling? The responses were, in the yo form, estoy bien, estoy mal, or estoy así así. Okay, notice that bien, mal, and así así are all adverbs, which means that they will not change regardless of how many people you're talking about or what gender the person is. Okay? Now, these other words will be affected by gender probably and by more than one person. We'll go over that in a second. Though those are to describe other feelings and emotions. So some other ones are aburrido, cansado, emocionado, enfermo, feliz, preocupado, ocupado, triste. Okay? If it ends in an O, for example, Felipe is tired, Felipe está cansado. Susana is busy, Susana está ocupada. Okay? If we're talking about more than one person, the adjective also will change to the plural form. So if I want to say that Paco is tired, Paco está cansado. But Paco and Felix are tired. I have to add an S on the end of our adjective. So Paco y Felix están cansados. It's a little confusing. Now, the same thing happens with females. If I have Julieta is tired, Julieta está cansada. We'll change the O to an A for she, right? But if I have more than one girl, Julieta and Gloria are both tired. Julieta y Gloria están cansadas. I'll have an AS. Okay? The note on feliz for happy, it ends in a Z, so if I make it plural, multiple people, I'll make it CES. So, for example, I want to say that they are happy, ellos están felices, but also, females it works too, ellas están felices. It's one of those neutral words. Now, we can also use this verb estar with location. So, the question we might ask, ¿Dónde? Plus the form of estar. ¿Dónde estás? Where are you? Estoy en la clase. ¿Dónde está Silvia? Where is Sylvia? Está en la escuela. ¿Dónde están ellos? Están en el cine. Okay? So how about you try these out? First, tell me how the people are according to the picture. Make sure to use the correct form of estar and remember to end the adjective correctly. For the ones that end in O, it could be o, a, os, or as. Okay? For feliz, it could be feliz or felices, depending on if it's singular or plural. And for triste, it's either triste or tristes. It's also neutral. Example, ¿Cómo está Juan? To answer the question, Juan está enfermo. Okay, so now you try some. ¿Cómo está Ricardo? Ricardo está triste. Pobrecito. ¿Cómo está Dolores? Dolores está ocupada. ¿Cómo están Alicia y Gabriela? Alicia y Gabriela están aburridas. ¿Cómo está el chico? El chico está emocionado. ¿Cómo estás tú? Yo estoy cansado. Or if you're female answering this question, you could have said, yo estoy cansada. ¿Cómo estoy yo? ¿Estás feliz? ¿Cómo están Jaime y Carlos? Jaime y Carlos están enfermos. Okay? Now, try to do the following, answering where the people are located according to the picture. Remember the relationship when asking questions. Pause the video if you need more time as usual, and check the word bank if you're not sure of a word. Okay? Example, ¿Dónde está Miguel? Miguel está en el restaurante. Your turn. ¿Dónde están ellos? Ellos están en el museo. ¿Dónde estamos? Nosotros estamos en el centro comercial. ¿Dónde estás? Yo estoy en la piscina. ¿Dónde están ustedes? Nosotros estamos en la iglesia. ¿Dónde está Carolina? Carolina está en el parque. ¿Dónde están los estudiantes? Los estudiantes están en la escuela. Okay? I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions pertaining to this video or any of the other ones. Gracias y adiós.